Writing about your home. Hello class, I'm going to use this video to teach you how to rewrite a text. We are going to use this paragraph over here. I live in a beautiful house and we have all we need in our home. The kitchen has an oven, a refrigerator, and a closet. The living room has a TV and a china cabinet. My parents' bedroom has a bed, a closet, and a TV. The dining room has a dining room table and a wall unit. So as you can see here, the words in green are places in our home or appliances and furniture. So if I want to rewrite this paragraph, I can change some of the words. So if I want to use, instead of the kitchen, another place in my house, I want to pay attention to the other places that are being mentioned. So for example, the living room, my parents' bedroom, the dining room. So maybe I can write here my bedroom or the bedroom. So it is very impersonal. So I guess that I'm going to add my. My bedroom has an oven. No. My bedroom has a bed. A refrigerator. No, I don't think so. It has a TV and a closet. Good. Now it is correct. If I want to change another place in my house, maybe I can change, let's say my parents' bedroom has a bed, a closet, and a TV. Maybe my parents don't have a TV in their bedroom, so I want to erase this. And I want to add here, and I don't need the comma over here. All right? And this is all with this example. I'm going to use this one. As you can see, it only has like 3 sentences. So it is shorter description, and I have these options. So en la guía de ustedes no les doy necesariamente opciones. Pero si ustedes quisieran recordar cuáles son esos ejemplos de furniture and appliances que pueden utilizar, pueden ir al video que vimos en la guía número 6, que era My Favorite Place in My House también. ¿Ok? Bueno, y el video que hicimos en la guía número 7 también puede ser muy útil. Entonces, en este caso yo podría agregar the kitchen, okay, has a TV. Instead of a TV, I can use a china cabinet. A refrigerator, oh, the china cabinet is here again. So I can erase it. And that's it. And if I want to change something here, I can change the couch for, let's say, maybe the dining room table. ¿Ok? Espero que les haya servido la explicación y saben que me pueden contactar al Woodit si ocupan que les explique un poco más cómo hacer su propio texto, que es básicamente sustituir palabras por otras en el ejemplo que les di.